can we meet you, sir?
My name is Emmanuel Duaha, the immediate past governor of Delta State. Well, Delta is known for sports. We are the center of sports in Nigeria. Daddy as NFA chairman, and today the NFF chairman is also from Delta State. So we are happy that we are contributing positively to the development of sports in Nigeria, now especially football.
I think we should take it step by step. We should think of getting out of the group first. The ultimate goal is to win the World Cup. But as Nigerians, we should be praying that the team gets out of the group stage, quarterfinals, semi-finals. Okay? The most memorable one was the one in South Africa when I was there at the opening ceremony. It was so emotional for us Africans because that was the first time World Cup was being played in Africa. So at the opening ceremony, it was something else. I did. I led the country to Japan, Korea 2002. So as the chairman of Nigerian Football Association, JJ Okocha was my captain then. Onibide was the coach. But many people don't talk about it because we didn't do well that time. We had some issues that time about preparation for the World Cup. But we did go. We took part. We didn't win. We didn't come out of the group stage like people will expect because we had the likes of England, Sweden and Argentina in our group in 2002. But it's an experience that I will never forget.